Is it possible for you to experience the wonders of the cosmos? How far can we go and what does it take to get there? First, let's talk about where we stand with space travel today. 1. Commercial spaceflight. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are making headlines by offering commercial flights to space. But what does that really mean for the average person? 2. Suborbital versus orbital flights. There are two main types of space travel currently available. Suborbital flights, which take you just above the Kármán line, the boundary of space at 62 miles, and orbital flights that can take you around the Earth at altitudes of around 200 miles or more. 3. Upcoming missions. SpaceX's Crew Dragon and Blue Origin's New Shepard are examples of spacecraft already conducting missions. The question is, how can you get on board? So, can you actually travel to space? Here's what you need to know. 1. Ticket prices. Currently, tickets for suborbital flights can cost anywhere from $200,000 to $500,000. For orbital flights, the price can soar into millions. But what about in the future? 2. Eligibility requirements. Most companies require passengers to be in good health, so medical evaluations are standard. Plus, you may need to undergo some training to prepare for the experience. 3. Limitations. Not everyone can afford the ticket or meet the health requirements, but advancements in technology and competition may make space travel more accessible in the coming years. Now, let's explore how far we can actually travel. 1. Low Earth orbit, LEO. Most current space tourism is limited to LEO, around 200 miles up. This is where the International Space Station, ISS, is located. 2. Beyond Earth orbit, missions to the Moon and Mars are on the horizon, with companies like SpaceX planning crewed missions to Mars in the next decade. What would it take to go beyond LEO? 3. Deep space travel. The ultimate goal for humanity might be deep space travel. Think asteroids, the outer planets and beyond. Technologies like ion propulsion and nuclear thermal engines are being explored for this purpose. Let's talk about what you might experience during a space journey. One of the most exciting aspects of space travel is experiencing microgravity. How does it feel to float freely? The sight of our planet from space is breathtaking. Astronauts often describe it as a transformative experience, seeing Earth as a fragile, beautiful blue marble. Traveling to space also comes with challenges, like exposure to radiation and the psychological effects of isolation and confinement. What does the future hold for space travel? Advances in propulsion systems, life support, and habitat construction are being developed. What innovations could make space travel safer and more efficient? Imagine a future where space hotels orbit the Earth, or you can take a cruise to the Moon. Companies are already planning these ventures. As we develop new technologies, we may send humans to Mars and the Moon, and even explore asteroids. What are the implications for humanity? If you're dreaming of traveling to space, here's how to prepare. Follow developments in space tourism and technology. Companies are continually announcing new missions and advancements. Maintaining good health is essential. If space travel becomes more accessible, being fit will be a key requirement. If you do get a ticket, be prepared for training. This might include simulations, safety drills, and learning about the spacecraft. While traveling to space is still a dream for many, the future looks promising. With advancements in technology and growing interest in space tourism, it might not be long before you can experience the wonders of the universe yourself. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey. What are your thoughts on space tourism? Would you go?